Do you have a Sony television at home? Did it get broken while you were watching? Do you want to have it repaired right away, but don't know where to bring your Sony television? If you are in Richmond, Virginia, then you finally found what you're looking for. At Richmond TV Repairs, we can get your Sony TV repaired in minutes. We guarantee all our services for very low prices. No matter what kind of problems or issues you have on your TV, we guarantee to fix them all. So visit us today at www.richmondtvrepairs.com.